Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about the column in our SQL. How can we use our column in our table in our database? Okay, the first thing we're gonna learn here is to how to show all columns in our table. So we have to write the select for that and write star for that from we use from for the table. Okay, from which table I want to display the columns. All right, so here you will write the name of the table. You can see that we have a 3 table here, and I want to access the country table for that. All right, let me just delete this. And for the star is used for to access all the columns. All right, to show all the columns. This is how it works. All right, but if you want to access or display any specific column from the country table, then you can write its name here specifically. Okay, I want to have a name column and region column and population column. All right, now I will only have the axis, or this will only show me the 3 columns. All right, you got the point. Okay, one more thing which I want to tell you here, that you can do the arithmetic operation between the columns, but there is a condition that those columns must be integer values. All right, so I can't do the arithmetic operation between the string columns. So we have 2 columns here. Okay, select. We have the two columns with the integer values, population, and in depth year. I guess you can do with the double value too. Oh, we will try that. G and P. Okay, I want to show the 3. Okay, it is giving an error here because this is the one statement and this is the another statement. So if you want to add the 2 statements, then you have to write the semicolon here. Alright, otherwise it will consider it as a single statement and it won't give us any output. Obviously it is a compile time error. So we have selected the 3 integer columns here. Okay, now I want to do some arithmetic here. Okay, now I can add any value in my population column. Now see, you will get the increase of the 1000 in our population column. See, you can see that. Okay, you can also do the minus here, divide, and as well as multiplication. Okay, but you can also do the arithmetics between 2 columns. All right, this is how it works. All right, okay, I wanted to show you how can we do the arithmetic operations between the columns. Okay, you can do one more thing. You can do the multiple operations here. Let me just okay, this may not work properly because as you know that in mathematics the first priority goes to the division, and then multiplication, and then plus. So if I try to do any operation here, the first thing which will happen here is the division and then the addition. But what do I want here? These values must be added, then it divide to the 1000. So how can you do that? You will do that with the help of parenthesis. Okay, So now it will work properly, so remember that point. Otherwise you will have some incorrect data in your database. Okay, I want to tell you one more point here, that whenever you try to do the arithmetic operations with the null value, it will give you the null in return. Okay, so we have some null values in our indep here. So
I want to do some operation here. Let's see.
I want to add the population with the indep here. All right, see, you can see here the any operation between the null value, this is the null value, and this is our value of the population. Okay, okay, we tried the addition between them, but what we got in return is the null value. So whatever you do with the null value, you will get the null value in return. Got it? All right, so you can see the name of the name of the column here. Okay, but I want to change the name of I want to change its name. So how can we do that? We can do it, we can change it like we have to write the select. Okay, if I okay, I want to display the name column but with the different name. So same the name. Okay, okay, all right. From, I haven't given it the table.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, there was an error. Okay, now you can see that I have changed the name of the column. Okay, if you don't like the name of the column and you want to change it, so you can change it in this is how you can change it. Okay, this is for the multiple letters, or you can say the string. But if you want the only single name, or a single word, you don't need to write the double quotation here. I can go with the name too here, and it will work totally fine. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this is how we can change the heading of the column. Okay, let me tell you the one more thing here. I want to talk about the concatenation operator. And okay, okay, I want to talk you about here is how can you join two columns. So here we're gonna do, okay, I want to talk about how can we join two columns. So let me just show you here. You have to select, and okay, I want to have id column selected, and okay, now I want to join the column of name and district. Okay, as a, and I will name it as a full name. Okay, so I want to join two columns, name and district. So how can I do that? We will use the concate function here. All right, now in concate function you have to write the name of columns. Okay, so first name is, first column is name and second column is district. Okay, and you will I want to present that joined column as a full name. All right, from city. See, now we have a combined this okay, the concate function combined the string of the name and the district column. Okay, but I want to have some space between the name and the district, so we will write the column here and try and write this double quotation here with the space, and I guess it will work fine. Okay, so okay, so this is how you can combine the columns. Okay, if I want to combine id column, will it work? Yeah, it is working. So this is how you can combine the columns. Okay, this is how you can have the unique values. okay, with the help of distinct keyword you can have the unique values, or you can only have the unique values of the column and remove the duplicated rows of that column. And that's all for this video. Okay, in the next video we're gonna talk about restricting and sorting of the row, hopefully. And till the next video, bye bye, take care.